everyone, this is Cindy Crank the Heart, and I am here with the project share. So I just kind of took a break from my big clean out. Every year I do go through everything and clean it out because as the year goes on, it becomes more and more difficult to work on any projects because things are everywhere. I can't find things, and I do like to clean things out, as you've noticed. But this is a quick project, and it's an idea for what to do with the Christmas cards that you get every year. And I do something similar to this every year. If I find the videos that I've done in the past, I'll go ahead and link to them, and you can see the different ideas that I've done to keep and preserve Christmas cards that I get. So having said that, this is a really simple way. So I just took some journal cards from Miscellaneous Me Bo Bunny that I had gotten from Tuesday morning. I actually destashed the rest of that collection. I just took a few sheets out to use for this project. And they don't have holes in them. They're just these regular panels. But you can use any scrapbook paper that you have left over. I've done that before where I've just used literally scraps of paper from projects from Christmas. And all you do is punch holes and everything. You can decorate the front or not, and then you attach all your cards. So this one, because the paper's already decorated, it was pretty easy. So I just used some letters that I had gotten in the dollar spot, and their Christmas letter, well, they're red glitter, so they can be used for Valentine's Day also. They don't stick, just so you know that there are little chipboard letters. They're a nice height. They're pretty glitter, but once you take them off that sheet, they don't stick. So I had to use my art glitter, and if you don't do that, they will fall off. And some of the ones that I have done in the past, the lettering has fallen off of them. So that's a project I'm going to do this year, is repair and fix albums and things that I've done in the past that I just know better techniques now. And then I had one of my cleanup. I think I bought this possibly from Tuesday morning. I found these cute nutcracker stickers that I just used to decorate because the colors just seem to go. And that's it. I used rings. You could use ribbon. You could staple it. I mean, if you really wanted to. And so this one was really cute because it had a panel on this side. This is why I chose this paper, because I just liked the layout of it for what I wanted to do. So I could do a little bit of journaling about what we did for Christmas if I want. And then I just used a journaling card just for decoration. And then you literally just put the cards that you get, especially, I didn't get a lot of cards this year. Especially the photo cards. Those are the ones I really like to keep, and I feel really bad about tossing, or, you know, what else is there to do? Put them in a box. So I put all of my my cards, okay, in here, and then the last page I made a pocket out of one of the journal cards, and then I'm able to do some journaling on a card. And then here's the back side. And so it's a good way of preserving your cards and getting some more use out of your holiday paper before you put it away. And it's just a really simple project. And so I do something like this every year to preserve my cards. Some years I just put them in my mini album if I do a Christmas mini album. This year I did a December daily, which I actually didn't even do at all. I did keep notes on everything, so that's a project I'm going to work on this week, is print out my pictures and work on that. But next year I think I might not do a December daily. I might do a mini album instead. And if I do a mini album, then I'll put cards that I want to keep. I'll make a little pocket and put them in that. So just some ideas on what to do as you're cleaning up your Christmas stuff. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Crank the Heart.